We're gonna need a ranch dip later.
Yes.
So we're gonna make this ranch dip, and it's so simple. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of sour cream, 3/4 cup of mayo, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and we just ground some cherry pepper there. And because the cherry pepper is not hot, but it really brings some flavor, I'm just gonna put a little bit more in there. You see that's a medium ground there. And we're also gonna come back with 3/4 teaspoon of parsley. I'm gonna use about 3/4 teaspoon of dill weed. Anything that you can buy in the store, you can make at home. And trust me, when it's all fresh ingredients, it tastes so much better. Then we're gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of dried minced onion. That's important. And some garlic powder. We're gonna go maybe 1/4 teaspoon there. We want a dash of onion powder, so another 1/4 teaspoon of that. Then we're gonna take 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and also we're gonna infuse this with some melted bacon grease.
Yummy.
Yummy. Just a little bit, 1/2 teaspoon. Just a few little chives. Those are to stir in, the rest are gonna be put on the top later. And there is what I call a beautiful, wonderful
Yummy dip.